Hey, welcome back to Classic Factory. For this video, I wanted to show you some of the stuff that we've gotten in the shop that we're going to use to not only work on the Nova, but also some parts for the Nova as well. First one is this 3-ton Super Duty high performance jack from Daytona. We've already taken this out of the box and put it together, so I'm going to walk you over to the other side of the garage where we've got it sitting. If you can see this little black pole sticking up back here, that's the handle for this jack right here. So I'm going to walk you over there, show you that real quick, and then we'll come back to the table. This is the 3-ton jack that I just told you about. I brought this other one over here so you could just see the size difference between them. They are both 3-ton jacks, but the Daytona one is the Super Duty High Performance. You can see it's got a longer wheelbase front to back, and if you look at it side to side, you have a lot more support on both sides going from the wheels. It's got bigger wheels, it's easier to roll. This is definitely going to come in handy moving it around the shop when we are getting the car up and off of jacks. I'm going to show you one more part back here behind them. So if we look down here, you can see these 2 springs on both sides. You got the 2 over here with the gray one and the 2 on this one. The one on the right over here is about the same size as both of the ones on the gray jack over there. But this spring right here on the left for the Daytona jack is a lot bigger. That's going to give you a lot more support, a lot more power when you're jacking up heavier vehicles. So this should work good not only for the Nova, but for my pickup truck and heavier vehicles like that. Alright, so y'all just got a good look at that new jack that we've got. Up next, I got a few other items down here that I'm going to pull up here on the table and we'll take a look at what we got. Right. Up first is the Chevrolet air cleaner. We're going to pull the one out of here that we picked for the Nova. So if you look right here, you'll see that it's your classic circular air cleaner that you see in a lot of classic cars. So nothing too fancy about that. We're going to open this up right here. And we have the chrome top. Got the Chevrolet bow tie emblem over here and the Chevrolet letters in black going across there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up real well. It's a red bow tie emblem, but we're actually going to be painting it orange to match the engine color. We already did that with the timing cover that's on the engine. It was originally red too. We painted that emblem orange and it looks fantastic. So we're going to do the same thing with this air cleaner cover right here. Some of y'all might be a little upset with what's in this box, especially the purists out there that are all about factory everything on a car and making it as close to the day it came off the line as possible. But this is something that my dad and I found. We really liked it. We think it's going to look fantastic in the Nova, and I'll explain why when we get out of the box. All right, so this is our wood grain steering wheel. This is obviously not the steering wheel that comes in a factory Nova or a factory Super Sport Nova. But we feel like the wood grain always has a classy feel to it, and the stock door panels have wood grain in them. So we think that that's really going to accent each other, complement each other, and that's one reason why we're really excited about this steering wheel we got right here and why we're not going with the standard Nova steering wheel. And on top of that, this is a little touch that I put on myself. Get this out. Instead of going with the SS horn knob, I wanted to go with the red, white, and blue Chevrolet bow tie. Of course, I'm a big fan of Made in America. It's one reason why I love General Motors and Chevrolet. So the red, white, and blue with the Chevy bow tie, my own little personal touch to the car. I think it's going to look fantastic on this wood grain steering wheel. The last item for this video right here comes from Scott Drake Legendary Wheels. So So I think that tells you right there what's already in this box. Since there are 4 wheels that come on a car, they're all going to be the same. I'm only going to show you one, and that'll tell you what all the other 4 wheels are going to look like. Here you can see these look a lot like SS wheels. They are designed to look exactly like SS wheels. But instead of being made out of the same material that stock wheels are made out of, where they rust, we went with the stainless steel material that they have here. One thing that I like about this is this stainless steel will run all the way to the edge of the wheel. On stock SS wheels, you have a chrome ring that goes around the side and then a painted silver in the middle. So you get that line where they come together. I'm not a huge fan of that myself. I like the flow from the center of the wheel all the way to the outside. You still get the black painted sections, the 5 of them that go around the center. You're still gonna have the SS centerpiece in the middle. It's going to look a lot like, almost exactly like the stock SS wheels, but it's going to hold up better in the long run, and I think it looks better, to be honest with you. Alright, so that does it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date on how this project's coming. If you want to see more videos like this where we show you parts that we got for the car, make sure you like this video so I know that you're enjoying what you're seeing, and we'll see you in the next one.